Oh, look at the juice. Buongiorno guys, I'm Max Sinestra, I'm in Istanbul and I'm super excited because today we're gonna be trying a lot of delicious food. Make sure to stay tuned till the end because we're gonna be witnessing the biggest doner in the world. Andiamo! Merhaba. Beşiktaş. Black and white. Oh, Kofte. Beautiful. Meatball, yes. We are in Beşiktaş district, in one of the oldest restaurants in the neighborhood. Look all the Turkish players there. Look at all the pictures, so beautiful. They crazily passionate about Beşiktaş Football Club. It's an honor for me as a crazy football fan myself. I can't wait to try the food as well. Spicy.
Yes.
Ooh. Hot, yes. Look how beautiful. Smells so good. I'm literally mouth-watering. Teşekkürler chef. Guys, I'm so hungry. Buon appetito. Chef, çok lezzetli. It's illegal. So creamy. There's almost no spice in it, so you can really taste the quality of the meat. Unbelievable. Incredible. Pure natural flavor. Let's try a bit of the sauce. Oh, voila. This is the best. You gotta come here, guys. Oh my god, the quality of the meat reaches the top. Spicy a bit, eh? Oh, together, okay. Teşekkürler. Look at this beautiful bean salad. Oh, with some carrots, lettuce. I love beans. So let's put this onion, as the gentleman told me to put. Oh, let's squeeze some lemon on it. Oh, teşekkürler.
Okay.
Refreshing. I love it. Oh, the owner brought us a little dessert. This is helva with a bit of cinnamon. I think these are pine nuts. Oh, let's give it a try. Oh, that's great. Oh, so soft. Can get the cinnamon right away. Like semolina. Semolina flour. Yeah. Oh, I love it. I love the texture. It's great. Teşekkürler. Çok lezzetli. Thank you. Forza Beşiktaş. Ciao, bye. Teşekkürler. Bye. Andiamo. Guys, we are in one of the oldest pickle juice shop in the old Beşiktaş. So excited, look how beautiful. And even here, they're super fans of Beşiktaş.
Merhaba.
Bir juice, turşu.
Bir bardak.
Oh yes,
Yes,
glass.
spicy or normal?
Spicy, okay. Hopefully it's not too spicy.
Buyurun. Buyurun.
Teşekkür. Oh,
Afiyet
beautiful.
olsun.
Teşekkürler. Oh, let's give it a try. Oh, it's great. It's good. Lezzetli.
Yes, teşekkürler. 25 oldu. 25 liralık yaptık hepsini.
It's not. Oh, it's not spicy. Look at the color.
Teşekkür ederiz. Afiyetle.
Great. Oh, refreshing.
I am four generation.
Oh, 4 generations this shop.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes.
I know it's one of the oldest one in Beşiktaş.
100 years.
Oh, 100 years.
Yes. Hoş
Amazing.
geldiniz. Merhaba.
Teşekkürler.
Afiyet olsun.
100 years old shop, 4 generations. Unbelievable.
Peki beyefendi hemen yumuşak.
Bye, güle güle. Have a good day. Andiamo, let's keep exploring. Look at this iron fountain, guys. Look how fresh. The froth there. Wow. Beer iron. Teşekkürler. Looks so fresh. Oh, the froth. Oh, iron cappuccino. Teşekkürler. Oh, you got this froth. Let's try, yeah? Oh, salty, sour, so refreshing. You know, you try so many iron all over the city, but somehow they all taste differently. This is amazing. It got that fresh kick. Absolutely, you get it right away. Teşekkürler. Amazing. Çok lezzetli. Oh guys, have you ever seen anything like that? How big is that? Mamma mia! How big! Oh, look at the juice!
Öyle mi oluyor bu işte? Evet,
Look how crispy the meat there is. It was so juicy, fatty. Teşekkürler şef. It's incredible. Çok lezzetli. Mamma mia, amazing. Is that lamb and beef? Excuse you. Yeah, mixed. Can taste the lamb. Oh! Look at this beauty. Look at the colors, the meat, the veggies, tomatoes, pickles, pepper. Oh, look. Oh guys, the bread soaked up all the juices. Buon appetito. Oh. Oh. What do you want me to say? Illegal. This is buonissimo. The bread makes the difference, guys. Homemade, so fresh. And the veggies, the pickle, and the pepper. Spectacular. Once in a lifetime experience, guys. You have to come here. Absolutely amazing. Guys, we are at the Beşiktaş Saturday market. Look how beautiful. This is indoor, but I think they got 2 floors. Look, they got all the veggies, fruits, local produce. Amazing. Let's have a look around. This is Trabzon paneer. She's from the Black Sea. Oh, amazing. So this is helva. Oh, the manti. Homemade manti. So you can just go and boil them, put some yogurt, chili. Oh. These are grape leaves for the sarma. A lot of amazing stuff, huh? Hello. Oh, look at the pomegranate. Beautiful. People are so friendly in Turkey. Teşekkürler.
Allah'ım.
Oh.
Allah'ım. Ya Rabbim.
and avocado. So we got a couple of mangoes and we're going to get some avocados. We haven't had mangoes and avocado in a while. Got some fruits. We pay and then we're gonna keep exploring. Teşekkürler. 1 kilo. Teşekkürler. Oh, I love cherry tomatoes. Look how beautiful. We're gonna have some lemons as well. Look at the color. Beautiful. Güle güle. Oh, I want to show you something, guys. Look how beautiful this bread is. Oh, I'm a huge fan of bread, guys. Look how beautiful. Oh, look at here, guys. Look at the chili paste. Oh, this jam. Great, oh. I love this kind of stuff. Oh, honey, fresh honey. Must be yogurt, cheese, kaymak. Wow. We're going to the second floor. I think it's divided, clothes upstairs and local produce downstairs. Hello. Look, we found a lady making gozleme. Oh, so here, on the scratch, this thin layer, stuffing it with all the ingredients, can be spinach, cheese or meat. Put it on a hot plate, just flip it, and it gets cooked. Amazing. Can't wait to try it out. It's my first time. You can put spinach, 2 types of cheese and potatoes. Oh, and meat as well. Bir gozleme, spinach and paneer.
Peynir.
Mix. Karışık. Teşekkürler.
Bana kaşar vereyim mi? Bana kaşar kibar teyze hemen abinin.
Teşekkürler. Wish you could smell it, guys. Smells so good. Oh, teşekkürler. Guys, we receive a gozleme. Look how beautiful. Steamy hot, full of ingredients. I believe spinach. Oh, look at the cheese. And a bit of, I think, potato and chili. Mamma mia, also hot. Buon appetito. Oh. I love the spinach. The cheese, you get a bit of sourness, a bit of chili, potatoes. Oh, and crispy on the edge, yeah. Oh, amazing. My first time trying gozleme. This market has a lot to offer. Wow, fantastic. Oh. How beautiful. So this is the drink. Let's see, with the cinnamon on top. Teşekkürler. Güle güle. It's pretty thick. Let's try. Oh, sweet. Of course, you can taste the cinnamon on top. Actually, don't know what salep is. If you guys know, just drop me a comment down below. Kind of a fermented drink, like boza, but, well, I don't know. Just let me know. Well, I enjoy it, actually. It's very nice. Ok, andiamo. Amore! Oh, so cute. For our final meal, guys, we're going for fish. Look at this beauty, still sizzling. Shrimp casserole, full of cheese, look at on top. Tomatoes, bit of chili, butter, so much more. And here, You got some amazing fried mussels put on the skewers with some sauce, which actually I don't know what it is. Super hot. Oh, with mushrooms. Look at these school prawns. Very small. Buon appetito. Oh, teşekkürler. Thank you. Oh, that's great, man. Perfectly cooked. The cheese is wonderful. Look. Oh, melts so creamy. A bit of sweetness from the tomatoes. Oh, the butter. It's amazing. Oh, wonderful. We also ordered some stuffed mussels with rice and lots of spices. Let's put a bit of lemon. Let's scoop it up. Oh. Well, you don't get much of the mussel. There is a lot of rice in it. Lots of spices. I expected it better, to be honest. Let's try this beauty, yeah? Honestly, not my favorite. Oh, the sauce is nice. And there is yogurt in it. It's a bit citrusy, sour, covers a bit of the heavy taste. It's alright. Guys, this is where we had lunch. And look, that's part of the shop as well. So they get their own fish. And that's where they cook it. And they also sell it to the people. So guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up, share with friends and family. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload, and see you on the next video. Ciao!